A business saved $40 on a toner cartridge. After 3 months, they are facing a $1,200 printer repairment bill. 6 months after that, they lost a big client because of a poor print quality. This is not a hypothetical scenario. This is a documented pattern of what happened when an organization unknowingly used counterfeit printer supply. Hi, my name is Jatin, and today we are breaking down the true cost of a counterfeit toner. And I promise you, it's way more expensive than even most of the people even imagine. Before we talk about the cost, let's establish the scope. According to an industrial research, every 2 out of 3 purchases are either counterfeit or grey market product sold as original. Over the last 3 years, HP anti-counterfeit team has seized more than $8 million of counterfeit items. Canon has removed thousands of counterfeits on such e-commerce platform. This is not small, it's massive. That's why Amazon is partnering with HP, Canon, Xerox and Lexmark against these counterfeiters. There is a global market built on this deception. And now let's talk about the real cost. A counterfeit toner may save you a few dollars, but here's what actually going to be happen. A printer drum is one of the most expensive part of a laser printer. It can cost you from $400 to $2,000 based on your model. It is totally going to be destroyed. Not because of a heavy use or aging, because of a counterfeit toner. Especially with those toners which particles are irregular. They are going to be act like a sandpaper on your drum. And now your printer need repair with. So your team has to be wait and your work has to be paused. And this is not a one-time thing. It's going to repeat again and again and cost you thousands of dollars in the repairment. And that's why we built Tonerinko. HP, Canon, Brother, Epson, Xerox, Lexmark, all the originals under one roof with verified supply chain with full documentation. So if you want to save your huge repetitive cost, remember the name Tonerinko.